Over 80% of household tools, like your common corkscrew, are stored inefficiently, wasting countless minutes annually. This seemingly small oversight directly impacts daily routines, causing unnecessary frustration and lost productivity for everyone. The humble corkscrew, a staple in countless kitchens, often symbolizes widespread domestic disorganization. Its singular, simple purpose cleverly conceals a deeper truth about household item management challenges. Many people struggle with cluttered drawers and chaotic cabinets, leading to a constant search for essentials. This pervasive issue isn't just about tidiness. It profoundly affects our daily efficiency and overall well-being. Imagine the sheer relief of always knowing exactly where every single item belongs, ready for immediate use. We often underestimate the collective time lost fumbling through disarray for a specific kitchen tool. Understanding the principles behind effective tool placement begins with appreciating the tool itself, however small. These insights extend far beyond simply uncorking bottles, influencing how you manage entire kitchen areas. This approach transforms mundane tasks into seamless actions, free from the usual exasperating interruptions. Applying smart organization strategies to even the smallest items yields surprisingly significant, lasting benefits. The corkscrew serves as a perfect microcosm for exploring broader, more impactful organizational truths. Its design, function, and typical storage reveal common pitfalls in home organization planning. By examining this everyday object, we can uncover powerful, actionable strategies for any household. Preparing meals or entertaining guests becomes a far more enjoyable experience without constant item hunts. Let's delve into how a focused look at this tool can revolutionize your entire home organization system. Many homeowners instinctively toss their corkscrew into the nearest available kitchen drawer without much thought. This common dump-it-and-forget-it approach inevitably leads to endless rummaging during crucial moments. Consider the corkscrew's fundamental design. Its helical screw and lever mechanism are engineered for precise function. This inherent design efficiency offers a powerful analogy for organizing other kitchen implements effectively. The first crucial step involves grouping similar items, creating designated zones within your drawers or cabinets. But this initial grouping is just the beginning of a truly organized system. Think of your wine accessories. Corkscrews, bottle stoppers, and foil cutters belong together, not scattered. Similarly, baking tools should form one distinct zone, while cooking utensils occupy another separate space. Next, assess the frequency of use for each item, a critical factor for optimal storage placement decisions. Store your everyday, frequently used corkscrew in an easily accessible, top-tier drawer near the wine glasses. Specialty or antique corkscrews, used less often, can reside in a deeper, less frequented storage spot. This layered approach prevents less used items from obstructing the essentials you reach for constantly. It's exactly like categorizing library books. Knowing where to look drastically cuts down search time for everyone. However, a simple zone isn't enough. The precise container makes all the difference for longevity. Utilize drawer dividers or small bins to compartmentalize these zones, keeping items from shifting around. Clear, shallow containers allow you to instantly identify and retrieve the desired corkscrew without disruption. This systematic arrangement transforms cluttered chaos into a streamlined, intuitive workflow for daily tasks. Consider the vertical space inside your cabinets. Often, this area remains underutilized for smaller tools. Magnetic strips on the inside of cabinet doors can hold metal corkscrews or other small metallic tools securely. But what if your kitchen lacks sufficient drawer or cabinet space for these ideal solutions? Command hooks or adhesive clips offer an excellent alternative, mounting corkscrews on pantry walls or cabinet sides. This frees up valuable drawer space for bulkier items, creating a more open and functional area. Even small design elements, like a corkscrew's handle, influence its optimal storage configuration for quick retrieval. A corkscrew with a wide handle might sit better in a shallow bin, while a slim one fits a narrow slot. Regular maintenance is also key. Periodically declutter and reorganize your assigned corkscrew zone. Remove any broken corkscrews or those no longer in use, preventing unnecessary accumulation over time. This continuous evaluation ensures your system remains effective and adaptable to changing needs. And then, a surprising realization hits about the true power of these minor adjustments. You begin to see your entire kitchen as a series of interconnected workstations, each with its own logical flow. This profound shift in perspective empowers you to apply these principles across your entire living space effortlessly. Implementing these focused organizational principles drastically reduces the mental load of searching for items. The average person spends countless precious hours each year simply looking for misplaced household objects. Imagine redirecting that wasted energy into more productive or genuinely enjoyable activities, enhancing your daily life. A well-organized kitchen fosters a profound sense of calm and control, making cooking and entertaining much more pleasant. This significant shift means less daily stress, fewer exasperated sighs, and a smoother flow throughout your culinary endeavors. Such meticulous attention to detail can even inspire greater creativity in the kitchen, unhindered by disarray. You will find yourself experimenting with new recipes and techniques, rather than struggling with basic prep. The physical act of finding a corkscrew quickly becomes a powerful metaphor for finding efficiency in other areas of life. This newfound ability to quickly locate tools translates into quicker meal preparation times for busy evenings. Guests will notice the effortless elegance of your well-appointed kitchen, reflecting your thoughtful planning. Children learn valuable organizational habits by observing a system that consistently works for everyone. This small change, starting with a corkscrew, instills a deeper appreciation for intentional home design. Ultimately, a few simple organization changes empower you to master your domestic environment with confidence and ease. Seamless more functionality and peace. Strategic organization to even organization minor items like a promises, a corkscrew calmer. Seamless more functionality and peace productive, more harmonious home environment. By applying thoughtful, strategic organization to even organization minor items like a more harmonious home environment unlock a profoundly more efficient living space. Remember, every small organizational victory contributes to a larger, more harmonious home environment. These principles offer a pathway to transform household clutter into a system of effortless accessibility and peace. It's about creating systems that serve you, rather than constantly searching for things that serve a purpose. Embrace the simplicity of designated spaces and discover the profound impact on your daily life. If you found these practical insights valuable, subscribe for more incredible organization strategies and clever tips. Please like this video and share your favorite quick organization hack in the comments below. Join our community to explore more amazing discoveries and make your home life truly exceptional.